Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another Deepvue tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Deepvue Theme Tracker to easily, in under 30 seconds, spot the current leading themes in the market. And I'll also show you a fantastic workflow that allows you to find the leading stocks within those themes and review them all in one screen very quickly, just like this. So there's going to be a lot that we cover today. If you're not already a part of Deepvue, we have a fantastic Deepvue Black Friday sale that you can access by clicking the link in the description right now, as well as popping up on your screen. It's fantastic, and you can go ahead and use the theme tracker today to find those leading stocks in leading themes. All right, so let's dive into the theme tracker. So this is located in your Deepvue dashboard. The dashboard module, which you can access by clicking right here, is where you can create custom dashboards, using chart elements, screener elements, all the specialized widgets that we have right here to create, very focused, specific dashboards that allow you to speed up your workflows and your routines and save you time and find, the best opportunities that much faster. Today, of course, we're focusing on the theme tracker widget, which basically allows you to plot the leading themes right here, this theme list here, and track their performance over different time frames. So we've got 5 main options here. We've got the today off the open, we've got the weekly time frame, we've got the 1 month time frame, the 3 month time frame, and year-to-date time frame. And here in this dashboard, I currently have set up actually 3 different widgets, theme tracker widgets. One tracks the performance today, one tracks the performance 1 week, and one tracks the performance over the past month. And having these 3 different timeframes basically allows me to see how themes are developing, which ones are the current leading themes, and over here on the most current time frame, which ones are the strongest today and the developing themes in the market. So to set this up, let's go ahead and create a fresh dashboard, and I'll show you how to set this up in under a minute here. So let's go ahead and create a new dashboard by clicking this drop down menu, clicking create new dashboard. We'll call this theme tracker demo. Click save, and now we have a fresh dashboard. Now what you want to do is either click here to add widgets, or if you already have a widget on your dashboard, you can always go here to the top right hand corner and click add widget, and that will also bring up the widget menu. So let's go ahead and bring that up, and we're going to scroll down and drag in the theme tracker widget. And let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger, and we'll add 2 in here. Okay, so there we go. We've got those already set up, and you're pretty much good to go. All that's left to do is decide, what time frame you want to plot the performance of these different themes. So let's do this one today, and let's make this one a 1 month time frame. Okay, so you're pretty much ready to go. All you have to do now is kind of think about what these results actually mean. And let me just go ahead and make this one a little bit smaller, make it a little bit more symmetric here, and drag that over. There we go, that's good. And any widget on your dashboard, you can drag the corners and then also grab here to adjust them and move them around to suit how you'd like to set up your dashboard. Okay, so let's interpret these results here. First, again, looking first over here on the right-hand side, you've got the themes listed here, sorted by the performance over the time frame, which is the 1 month. And here, just looking at this chart, the top themes over the past one month are gold miners, biotech, healthcare, silver miners, medical, and oil and gas. These are your current existing leading themes. And themes do take, a while to establish themselves and also for their trends to peter out. So this 1 month view is always going to basically display in the top 5, 6 here, the current existing leading themes. And those are the ones that you want to be fishing in. But we also want to be aware of where, the puck is going, where is market rotating into. And that's where looking at the smaller time frames, the daily time frame, as well as the 1 week view are really helpful. So first, looking at the today view here, this is the performance off the open. So we want to kind of take away the gaps, because often, we're looking for performance over the course of the trading day. And sometimes there can be a big gap down and a strong rally. And basically the performance off the open does a better job of representing, what is the performance of that theme that day. So here today, we've got home construction at the top, Bitcoin miners bouncing, retail, airlines, genomics. And one thing to note here is genomics has been popping up, very regularly over the past, week or so. And this is something that I know to track the leading themes is I take note of what themes aren't in the 1 month top performers, but are consistently showing up in the top 5 on a daily view. And genomics has been here repeatedly and has been rising on the 1 month view. So that is a theme that is developing and seeing money rotate into. So that is pretty much it. I kind of on a day-to-day basis track, what are the top 5, 6 here, and make note of any ones that are, repeat offenders and are showing up every day, because that's where the relative strength and money is flowing in the market. So that's a great workflow for you guys. So that's pretty much it. We're looking at the current existing themes. We look at the top 5 on a 1 month view, and then we're taking note on a daily basis on the today view of what are the themes that are showing up again and again. And those are the ones to dive deeper into. So let's actually go ahead and do that. So how do we dive deeper into a leading theme, a developing theme, to find the leading stocks in that leading theme, as Darvis, O'Neill, Weinstein, all the top traders in history did to find the best opportunities in the market? Well, a great workflow you can build is another dashboard. And I've got one specifically created for this called Theme Tracker with Chart. Let's go ahead and give that a click. And here we go. We've got the dashboard here. The theme tracker set up here on a 1 month basis, and obviously you can flip in between these. And we've got a chart element here over on the right hand side. And let's make my moving averages this template here. And let's say we want to dive deeper into the genomic space, because we're noticing that that's a developing theme. So all you have to do is go ahead and click that theme, and right away we're loading the stocks within that theme. And just like a screen, just like a watch list, you can spacebar through. And because the theme tracker is in the blue group and connected to the chart, which is also in the blue group, you can easily just review the charts right just like this, and go ahead and go through all the different results and take note of any stocks that are standing out to you. For instance, this one, recent gap up, moving higher, acting well. Some of these are just kind of moving off the bottom. So you're kind of looking within this leading theme that we're seeing and taking note of any stocks that are acting well, gapping up on volume, reclaiming moving averages, moving up the right-hand side of bases, breaking out, that type of thing. So that's the simple workflow that allows you to dive deeper into a leading themes. So that's pretty much it when it comes to this video. I just want to show off the theme tracker dashboard, which you can set up like this, and also the theme tracker with chart kind of workflow that can save you a lot of time doing your top-down analysis. So let's actually show how to also set up this type of dashboard. So let's go ahead and start from scratch. Let's go ahead here. This is where your current dashboard is loaded. And up here, you might notice I've got my favorite ones here. All you have to do to show a dashboard up here is go ahead and bookmark it, and then you'll have quick access to it, and you can always unbookmark it to take it off. But let's go ahead and create a new one from scratch by clicking Create New. Dashboard, we'll call this Demo Theme Tracker with Chart. Click Save. And let's set it up in 5 seconds, because that's how easy it is to set up a dashboard. So let's drag in a theme tracker. And let's also drag in a chart, which is this top one here. Now, if you ever see, and let me X this out, if you ever see something that looks like this, where things are grayed out here with a red outline, that basically means there's not enough space on your dashboard to drag in a widget. So all you have to do is make space, and then those will be available to you, and you can always reorganize your dashboard after that. So there we go. In under a minute, we've got the theme tracker set up, and we can go to a 1 month basis and dive deeper into, say, gold miners, and spacebar through those charts as you would like to. So that's pretty much it. And if you want to, say AU really catches your eye, all you have to do to add it to a watch list is hover over the logo, click this plus sign, and then you can add it to a existing watch list or click new watch list right here. And that's a great, again, workflow way to speed up the process when doing this top-down type of analysis. So let us know if you have any questions down below. And if you're not a part of Deepvue already, again, definitely check out the Deepvue Black Friday sale. It's fantastic, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the platform. All right, take care, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Cheers.